This is a new chapter, lines and angles. Let us learn some basic terms and definitions. Number 1, line. It is a collection of points which are in a straight line. Line has no endpoints or it extends in both the directions. It must be straight. Collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points lie on a same line are called collinear points. Non-collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points which do not lie on a straight line are called non-collinear points. Line segment, a part of a line with 2 endpoints, is called a line segment. Ray. Ray is a part of a line with 1 endpoint. Angle. An angle is formed when two rays originate from one endpoint, from same endpoint. Here the two rays forming an angle are called arms of the angle, and the common vertex, the common point where the two rays originate, is called vertex of the given angle. Types of angle. As you have studied in lower classes, acute angle. The measure of the angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Right angle. The measure of this angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle. The measure of this angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Straight angle. The measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. Reflex angle. This measure of this angle lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. Complementary angles. A pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree is called a pair of complementary angles. Supplementary angles. A pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree is called a pair of supplementary angles. Next, adjacent angle. This is example of a notebook. Here these two angles are called adjacent angles because they share a common arm OB and have a common vertex O. The non-common arm OA and OC are on different sides of common arm. Linear pair of angles. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite rays. OA and OC are opposite rays. Example in daily life: pen stand and vegetable chopping board. These are some examples of adjacent angles. Here 60 and 30, they share a common arm OC and vertex O. See, in all cases they share common vertex O and common arm OC. Vertically opposite angles. This angle forms when two lines intersect each other. In that case, here these two angles are become same, and here also these two angles become same. The example of this is a scissor. Axiom 6.1. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Here AOB is a line on which OC ray stands. Therefore, the sum of the adjacent angle is always 180 degree. Next, axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then non-common arms form a line. Therefore, here the sum of adjacent angle 180 degree, so BAC becomes a straight line.